Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix your Instagram account private. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, go to Play Store application and search here Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Your Instagram is already last version and update. Tap on open icon and tap on your profile icon. You can see that three dot icon right here. Tap on this. Scroll down here. Tap on account privacy. Tap on private account. Switch to private. Your problem is hopefully solved successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.